My friends, welcome back to Infinite Space. Today, we're diving into the strangest, most bizarre exoplanets discovered this year. These are worlds that defy everything we know about planets, pushing the boundaries of our imagination. So, buckle up as we journey to the weirdest corners of the universe. Our first stop is WASP 107b, a planet that's practically the cosmic equivalent of cotton candy. This gas giant, located 212 light-years away in the constellation Virgo, is about the size of Jupiter. But here's the kicker. WASP 107b has only 1/10 of Jupiter's mass. That means this massive planet is incredibly lightweight, with a density so low that astronomers have compared it to a marshmallow. Imagine a planet so airy and light that if you could somehow stand on its surface, and I use the term surface loosely here, you'd practically float through it. But don't let its fluffy appearance fool you. WASP 107b orbits incredibly close to its host star, a yellow dwarf star slightly smaller and cooler than our Sun. In fact, WASP 107b is over 16 times closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. This close proximity makes WASP 107b a scorching hot world. It's bombarded with intense radiation from its star, resulting in a surface temperature estimated to be around 500 degrees Celsius, or 932 degrees Fahrenheit. So, while WASP 107b might be light as a feather, it's also a fiery furnace. This discovery challenges our understanding of how gas giants form. WASP 107b's low density suggests it might have a surprisingly small core, or perhaps even no solid core at all. Whatever the explanation, WASP 107b is a fascinating reminder that the universe is full of surprises. Our next stop takes us to 55 Cancri e, a planet that's captured the imaginations of astronomers and treasure hunters alike. This exoplanet, located just 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer, is thought to be made largely of pure crystallized carbon. And what happens when you subject carbon to immense pressure and heat? You get diamonds, my friends, and lots of them. 55. Cancri e is a super-Earth, about twice the size of Earth, and 8 times more massive. It orbits its star, 55 Cancri, in just 18 hours. This means one side faces the star's searing heat, while the other is in eternal darkness. Scientists believe a significant portion of its interior could be pure diamond, a celestial diamond mine of unimaginable proportions. Some estimates suggest the diamond core could be worth $26.9 nonillion. But 55 Cancri e is incredibly hot, with surface temperatures around 2,400 degrees Celsius. And the pressure at its core is billions of times greater than Earth's sea level. So, for now, the diamond planet remains tantalizingly out of reach. Hold on to your helmets, space explorers, because our next destination is not for the faint of heart. We're journeying to K2 141b, a planet so extreme, so scorchingly hot, that it makes Venus look like a tropical paradise. Located over 200 light-years away in Aquarius, this exoplanet is a true inferno, a world where oceans of molten lava flow freely and supersonic winds whip across the surface at unimaginable speeds. K2 141b is what astronomers call a lava planet, and it lives up to its name in every terrifyingly awesome way. This planet is tidally locked to its star, an orange dwarf star slightly smaller and cooler than our Sun. One side of K2 141b is perpetually blasted by the intense heat of its star. We're talking temperatures soaring to over 3,000 degrees Celsius, or 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to vaporize rock. The intense heat turns the rock on the day side into a thin, hazy atmosphere made of vaporized sodium, silicon monoxide, and even silicon dioxide, the main component of glass. The extreme temperature difference between the day side and the night side creates winds that defy belief. Imagine winds whipping around the planet at over 5,000 kilometers per hour, or 3,100 miles per hour. That's 5 times the speed of sound. These supersonic winds carry the vaporized rock from the day side to the night side, where it cools and condenses, forming droplets of molten rock that rain down onto the surface. Yes, you heard that right. Rock rain. These fiery droplets then flow back towards the day side in rivers of lava, where the cycle begins anew. Astronomers believe that over time, this cycle of vaporization, condensation, and lava flow is actually changing the surface of K2-141b. The constant flow of lava is thought to be slowly reshaping the planet, creating new landforms and eroding old ones. K2-141b is a stark reminder that our universe is filled with worlds stranger and more extreme than we could ever imagine. So the next time you think about extreme weather, remember K2-141b, the lava planet where even the rain is deadly. Fasten your thermal cloaks, fellow explorers, because our next stop is going to be a chilly one. We're venturing to the outer reaches of our galaxy, to a realm of perpetual twilight and frigid temperatures, to visit Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB, the coldest known exoplanet. Located nearly 21,500 light-years away in the constellation Sagittarius, towards the center of our Milky Way galaxy, Ogle 2005 BLG 3990LB is a true ice giant, a world shrouded in eternal winter. This planet, with a mass estimated to be about 5.5 times that of Earth, orbits a small, cool, red dwarf star at a distance roughly 3 times farther than Earth is from the Sun. But remember, this planet orbits a red dwarf star, which is much smaller and cooler than our Sun. As a result, Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB receives very little warmth from its distant star. The surface temperature on this frozen world is estimated to be a bone-chilling -220 degrees Celsius, or -364 degrees Fahrenheit. At such incredibly low temperatures, the atmosphere of Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB is thought to be frozen solid. Imagine an atmosphere not of swirling gases, but of solid ice crystals, a frozen wasteland stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a world of unimaginable cold, where even the air itself is frozen in time. The planet's surface is likely a desolate landscape of ice and rock, sculpted by eons of cosmic bombardment. With such a frigid environment, it's highly unlikely that liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, could exist on the surface. The discovery of Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB has challenged our assumptions about the habitability of planets around other stars. The extreme conditions on Ogle 2005 BLG 390LB serve as a stark reminder of the challenges of finding life beyond Earth. And so, my fellow cosmic adventurers, our journey through the weird and wonderful world of exoplanets comes to an end. We've explored planets so puffy they'd practically float on water, planets that sparkle with the brilliance of 1,000 diamonds, planets where molten lava flows like rivers, and planets colder than the coldest winter night on Earth. But our journey is far from over. The discovery of these bizarre and extreme exoplanets has ignited our imaginations and fueled our desire to learn more about the universe we inhabit. Thanks to the tireless efforts of astronomers and the incredible advancements in telescope technology, we're now discovering new exoplanets at an astonishing rate. Every year, hundreds of new worlds are added to the ever-growing catalog of exoplanets, each one unique and full of potential for scientific discovery. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we're finding that our solar system, with its familiar planets and moons, is just a tiny snapshot of the incredible variety of planetary systems that exist in our galaxy. We're finding planets orbiting pulsars, the rapidly spinning remnants of dead stars. We're finding rogue planets, wandering through the galaxy without a star to call their own. We're even finding hints of planets orbiting black holes, the enigmatic cosmic monsters that warp the fabric of space-time. The search for exoplanets is more than just a quest to find other worlds. It's a quest to understand our place in the universe. By studying exoplanets, we can learn more about how our own solar system formed and evolved. We can learn about the conditions necessary for life to arise, and we can even begin to search for signs of life beyond Earth. The possibilities are truly endless. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonder and awe. So keep looking up, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions. And there you have it, my friends, the weirdest, most mind-boggling exoplanets discovered this year. From puffy giants to diamond worlds, these planets remind us just how strange and wonderful our universe is. Which of these bizarre exoplanets fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Infinite Space for more incredible journeys through the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.